Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Mount the macro lens and secure the camera to a tripod so you eliminate shake. This matters because depth of field shrinks close up. Set aperture to around f/8 to f/11 to balance sharpness versus background blur, and choose aperture priority or manual to control exposure. Once done, switch to single point AF and place it on your subject's most important detail. Make sure to use mirror lockup or live view to avoid vibrations. Now refine composition and focus. Enter live view and zoom 5x to 10x to nail critical sharpness on the exact point you want. This is faster and more accurate than relying on the viewfinder AF. Once you have focus, slightly shift the whole camera forward or back to adjust plane of focus, because at macro distances, focusing with the lens ring causes framing shifts. Also, place the subject away from busy backgrounds and add side or diffused light to finish by taking a controlled burst. Bracket exposures or slightly adjust EV by 1/3 stops to capture the best tonality. Check the image at 100% on your camera to confirm sharpness. If depth is too shallow, consider focus stacking. Capture a series of images moving focus incrementally and merge in software. If shots are soft, troubleshoot by raising shutter speed, adding continuous or flash lighting, or increasing ISO carefully. Make sure you're not introducing camera movement when you press the shutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.